Hey, Sarah O'Kelly here with Skipper's Review, and I am outside the Palm Beach International Boat Show today, 2018, a little bit more north of the Miami Boat Show. And it is a little bit nippy today. It is a beautiful day, but it's not exactly a perfect boating day. It's breezy, a little nippy, and I don't know, South Florida's boaters will usually, they'll give it a couple of days and then they'll head out there. But this is all a good thing for the boat show because that means you guys are going to be coming down here and hopefully we'll get to meet you. So we're going to head into the boat show and talk to some Skipper's Review businesses, and we're going to ask them to throw us a line about their business. What's so special about them? Why should we go to them? Why should we trust them? So come on inside and let's see what they have to say.
Okay, 3 words. I think knowledgeable, dedicated, and dependable.
Nice. Okay, thanks, Sam.
Oh, you're welcome.
We just decided that regular boats are just way too plain, too boring. The novelty wears off. All you can do is turn left and right. And so what we did was basically combine the flight characteristics of an airplane with a boat. So it's not a submarine. It doesn't go super deep, but you have full 3-axis control. So you can do a huge number of freestyle tricks, from jumping 90 degrees, you can backflip it, you can porpoise it like a dolphin. This particular model, which we call the Z model, can do 360-degree barrel rolls.
You do surf lessons on Saturdays, right? Free lessons?
Every Saturday morning, unless there's like a crazy storm or a crazy swell. Yeah, we offer that every Saturday morning, every week of the year. So,
if I could ask you to sum up Island Water Sports in 3 words, what would they be?
it would be a let's see. It would be a very loyal. It would be a very inviting, and it would be a very fun business. Yeah, the best 3 adjectives I would say describe it. Yeah, a little messy there, but.
That's all right. Got it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a million, Scott.
100%. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
When I saw this product, I just felt it was going to be the future of water sports. I've always been a water sports guy. When I saw this, I just knew. I mean, I just felt it, passion within me, and I got into it, and here I am 5 years later having a blast, meeting awesome people at the boat show. I mean, who can't love this?
Working with the customers is a big deal to us. We basically build these boats custom to their needs, and we enjoy what we do.
If you had 3 words to describe your business, what would they be?
I'd say original, fun, and excellent.
My boyfriend and I quit our jobs almost 3 years ago now to follow our full-time YouTube dreams, and it's been great. We've been posting about 3 or 4 videos a week and getting out there and fishing and just trying to provide tips and tricks, to the whole fishing community, and it's just, it gets better and better every year.
I'm going to tell you what your grandson said. Artistic, awesome, and journey, as in it's been a journey because the business has been growing.
You better use what he said.
All right, thanks, Bob.
Son, his name's Jackson. He's 8.
So what's he think of all this?
It's normal to him. So this is like me checking the mail. So he's not excited about it. He's not like, oh, that's my mom, except when they show something at school. Then he's like, oh, I know her. It's my mom. Or if you see something on YouTube. But our favorite really is the shows that we do. It's fun to compete, but the shows we do nighttime shows with light suits and stuff, and going out there and really wowing the crowd. I love it. So fun.
Now, if you could sum up your business, what would they be, Todd?
Sales, service, and installation. We do it all.
There you go. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed those little snippets from our Throw Us a Line series. I'll be going around to individual businesses and getting some more of those. That was at the Palm Beach Boat Show. I don't know, I just feel that you get a better feel of the business by actually being in front of the person, so to speak. I mean, you can get so much from the website and from the telephone, but listening to the person talk about their business and their passion behind the business, I hope it helps you make a decision, your decision easier on what provider you want to hire to work on your boat. So I was around boats all weekend. I had to get out on my own, and I hope you guys have a great week, month, whatever, and we'll talk soon.